Have you ever walked into a room and completely forgot why you went in? Or you look at a picture and it's something obvious? Today, we are going to talk about a famous experiment that shows our brains why not see as much as we think, even when it seems obvious. Quick hi, I'm Belen, and this video is about attention, memory, and how our brains decide what matters and what doesn't matter. In 1999, a team of psychologists at Harvard University did a simple yet joking experiment. The lead researchers were Christopher Carris and Daniel Simmons, two cognitive scientists interested in how we pay attention. They wanted to answer a big question. What does it mean to see something? To test this, they designed a very clever task. Participants watched a video of two teams playing basketball, one wearing white shirt, the other black. The task was simple. Count how many times the white-shirted team passed the ball. Easy, right? All you had to do was pay attention and count. The catch? About halfway through the video, a person in a full gorilla suit walked right into the middle of the action, stomped, thumped their chest, looked straight at the camera, and then walked off. The whole gorilla scene lasts about 5 seconds. After watching, the researcher asked, "Did you see anything unusual?" And the results were stunning. About 50% of people didn't notice the gorilla at all. Half of the participants counted passes and completely missed a person in a gorilla suit stomping through the game. So, what's going on in the brain? The answer lies in something called inattentional blindness. The brain can only focus on a few things at once, and everything else gets filtered out. Your senses take in an enormous amount of information every second. Color, shapes, sounds, movement, emotions, space, but you don't consciously notice all of it. In this experiment, people were so focused on counting passes, something specific and demanding, that the gorilla didn't register as relevant enough to enter conscious awareness. It wasn't that they didn't literally see it at all. Their brains just didn't put that information into awareness. Why did they do this experiment? Carris and Simmons didn't set out to trick people. They wanted to explore a real scientific question. How does attention shape our perception of the world? Their work showed that perception isn't automatic. You can literally miss something huge, even when it's right in front of you, if your brain is busy thinking about something else. This isn't just a fun trick. Unintentional blindness affects us in real life. Drivers not seeing pedestrians because they are focused on their phone. Witnesses not remembering key details of a crime. People missing obvious mistakes or risks at work. Your brain decides what to focus on, and everything else just fades into the background. So yes, maybe you think you are paying attention, but your brain might be doing something completely different. So next time you are sure you saw everything in a room, or you are convinced you noticed something obvious, remember the gorilla. If this made you rethink what you thought you saw today, leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. because you probably missed the detail during the video just because your mind was focused on something else. If you notice it, comment with a thumb up. And here's my question for you. What's something you think you never miss but might actually?